morning, sir.
Introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this great opportunity to introduce myself. I am Tanish Kumar. My father, last night Sudhir Kumar, served Indian Army for more than 17 years. My mother, Mrs. Deepa Chaudhary, she is a homemaker. I am the single child of my parents. I studies in class 9 from DAV Centenary Public School, Haridwar. I hail from Bijnor but currently staying in Haridwar due to education purpose. The aim of my life is to work in defense services and serve my nation. My hobby is learning more about geopolitics and playing cricket.
Okay. So, as you have told me about that your father is from armed forces background, what is his exactly post?
Sir, he was in Signal Branch of Indian Army.
Okay. So, what does a signal branch works?
Sir, the work of Signal Branch is to communicate one message from a particular unit to other units.
Okay. And you are presently in Haridwar. Tell us something about
Yes, sir.
Haridwar.
Sir, Haridwar is located in the southern part of Uttarakhand state in India. Sir, Haridwar is located in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand, and there are many tourist attractions in Haridwar. The population of Haridwar is around 20 lakhs, and sir, the area of Haridwar is more than any other district in Uttarakhand. The area of Haridwar is around 678.
Okay. No, not that important. What are the specific tourist places in Haridwar?
So some tourist places such as Ganga Ghat and Har Ki Pauri, Shanti Kunj, and Sir Rajaji National Park is also there in the way.
Okay. So, is there any issue with tourist places or any kind of problem tourist faces in Haridwar? And how
No, sir.
can you resolve that? Okay, no issue. Tell me about your strength and weaknesses.
So my strength is that I am punctual, determined, and hardworking boy. I like to lead my mates, and I also don't like to jot all the credit for myself. My weakness is that I am too much loyal towards my work, and so this sometimes leave me behind. However, I am trying to improve it and act as per situations and conditions.
Okay, any other weaknesses you want to notify here?
No, sir.
Okay. So, tell me about your favorite subject.
Sir, my favorite subject is mathematics.
Okay, and why?
Sir, I like to solve the equations and sums in mathematics, and this really fascinates me. Once I am finished with one equation and sum, then I like to do other equation.
Okay, so these equations is actually helping you in real life problems or not?
Yes, sir, these are really helping me.
Uh,
Also, sir, in my career, which is joining armed forces, mathematics is really important.
okay. So tell me about your friends.
So, in my friend circle, there are total of three friends: Lakshay, Ritvik, and me.
Okay. What are the qualities you seek in any person before making his your friend?
So first of all, he should be honest. I don't like person which are dishonest, and they should be trustworthy. And I also like those people which are friendly in nature and helps each other.
Okay. What qualities in you makes you fit for RMS?
Sir, I have the qualities of hard worker. I am a hardworking person, and I am determined towards my goal. Also, sir, I am good in academics. So, sir, these really help me.
Okay. So tell me about any two recent things, topics which are in news.
Sir, first of all, the Afghanistan crisis where Taliban took over in Afghanistan.
Okay.
And second, sir, the meeting of our prime minister with other prime ministers, such as in COP26.
Okay. What is
And
yeah, sure.
yes, sir.
What is the main motto of COP26? Why they are meeting?
Sir, because they are meeting because of the environment issues.
Okay, so basically COP is associated with environmental issues and
Yes, sir.
describe in
Started in
brief.
19. 1992 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
Okay, so describe in brief about Afghan crisis.
Sir, Afghanistan crisis is that Taliban took over in Afghanistan with a coup, and sir, this was badly affected the industrial system in Afghanistan. Also, sir, many projects of India were there which they harmed.
Okay, so recently there was Olympics organized in Tokyo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what was the mascot of it?
So the mascot of it is mm, Miraitova.
Okay, Meraitova. And what are your hobbies?
So my hobby is learning more about geopolitics and playing cricket.
Okay, so in cricket, recently any kind of match is going on that you can
Yes, sir.
mention?
The ICC Men's T20 World Cup is there in Dubai.
Okay,
And Dubai, Sharjah, and Abu Dhabi.
okay. So basically, name any two cricket player which you follow.
Sir, I follow Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and sir, I also follow Virat Kohli.
Okay, so who is the present captain of Indian cricket team?
So the present captain of Indian cricket team is Virat Kohli.
Okay, so have you heard about China man?
Yes, sir. It is a kind of spinner such as Kuldeep Yadav.
Okay, so tell me about Vinisha Fogart. Recently, she
Sir,
was at news.
Fogart is a wrestler, and she also won the Asian Championship of Wrestling this year.
Okay, and where was Aero India show organized recently?
Yes, sir.
Aero India show
Yes, sir.
2021 was recently organized at which place?
Sir, it held in Bangalore.
Okay, it was held at Bangalore. Tell me something about Rafale aircraft.
Sir, Rafale aircraft is an aircraft in the Indian Armed Forces, and it is really a prominent aircraft in the Indian Air Force, and it was taken from France from the Dassault Airlines company.
Okay, who is the present Chief Justice of India?
So the present Chief Justice of India is Chief Justice N.V. Ramanna.
Okay, and tell me about which film got the award of BAFTA.
Sir?
BAFTA award was given to which movie?
Sir, it was given to Nomadland.
Okay. Do you know about something World Press Freedom Index?
Yes, sir. World Press Freedom Index is an index which is taken by Reporters Without Borders, and India ranked 142nd.
Okay, that's good. Okay, you may leave now.
Yes. Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.